If you're still manually choosing your bookkeeping transaction types, you might want to try out automating it with Google Apps Script. As you can see, with a simple click of a button, we can fill in all of these transaction types by looking at the words in column A. In Google Apps Script, we use the onOpen function, so when we refresh the page or when we first open the script, open the Google Sheet, this script will run and give us the menu auto, which now gives us this automate bookkeeping function. So basically, we're just going to use comparative words, and on the technical side of things, this is going to be an object, and we can keep adding to this. So for example, this is for employees and wages and benefits. If we want to add a new employee, all we have to do is these two straight lines, do name, two equal signs, in quotation marks, and write the new name. So we'll do Lauren. Now we just hit save. So now if we go back here and we change my name to Lauren, and we get rid of this, we'll just get rid of all of it, and we do auto, now we'll see that it still gave Lauren wages and benefits as the transaction type. You can use this exact same thing for every item that you would commonly use on a frequent basis. So if you're going to McDonald's frequently because you're traveling, and that should be a meals and entertainment, then all you have to do is basically copy this, and let's go down to sales. We'll make this a sales item. Let's just type in the word sales as a placeholder, and we'll do sales 2, and we'll change this keyword to sales, and it is easy as that. Now we just go change this to sales 2. Yep. And now let's just make sure I don't save. Let's get rid of all these items, and we'll do auto bookkeeping. So now we have our 2 sales items. So the script will be included. Just don't forget to hit like and subscribe and tell your friends.